Hi, I'm Martin from AMS Performance, and today I'm really excited to talk about a new product we're releasing. Not only because it makes a ton of horsepower, but also because it looks really good. So what we're talking about here is our new intake for the G80 BMW S58 engine, which is an M2, M3, and M4. So when designing this intake, we started from a clean slate. Tested the factory intake, and there's a left and right intake on the flow bench, and also got a bunch of competitors' intakes from the most popular to the most expensive. So we had a really good benchmark of what we had to beat out there, and we did it. We went through a lot of design revisions, a lot of changes. It was a challenge, but we did wind up making the best performing intake with the dyno results to back it up. Everything in this system is designed and optimized for flow, from the section diameter of the tubing, the silicone hoses, smooth transitions from the tubing to the hoses, down to the air filter. We have a really nice radius on the inlet and the transition. Everything is really just dialed in for maximum airflow. And now this intake system is available in two versions. One is with this trim ring, which kind of gives you an open style air filter element in there, and it gives you really the maximized sound and turbo noises. And we also have a version which has a nice carbon lid, and this is a magnetic lid. It comes off, it snaps in place and held in place with magnets, and it looks really good. In our design and engineering efforts, we found out some things that really set this intake apart. One, for example, is the inlets to turbo. Now, some of the manufacturers did one side, they failed to do the other side. One is because it's complex, but also it was kind of hard to test on a flow bench. But when we did, we found out this is kind of the secret to making a lot more power. So in this case, we designed our own inlet to replace the factory one. And this, for example, has about 128% larger cross-section diameter or area than the factory piece. So, what does this all translate to? Well, a lot more power on the dyno and less restriction on the flow bench. So in our flow bench testing, we found that around 650 horsepower, we have a 48% reduction in inlet restriction. Now, what that means is the turbo's working less at the airflow to make the same power, which also means now you can turn it up and it has more headroom to make more power. So our engineering team spent a lot of time at a flow bench making sure this flowed the best out of all the competitors' intakes, but we wanted to back it up on the dyno. So we worked with Sam Barros, a professional tuner, to test on his own personal M3. Now he has some mild mods. It's an exhaust system, some catted downpipes, heat exchanger, some fuel system mods, and he was tuning his car on E50 or E60 fuel, and he's using MHD for tuning. So even the results he got from this intake were surprising. He was kind of shocked how much horsepower it made. And it was done on the same dyno, same conditions. The only thing changing was going from his stock intake to our intake system. And some of those results are 86 wheel horsepower peak gains and about 66 horsepower average gains over 5,000 RPM. So what does that mean for you? Quicker throttle response, a lot more horsepower, faster lap times, and better quarter mile times. All right, so here we're looking at our intake system installed on a car, and one of the things we really considered when designing the intake was ease of installation and how it fits on the vehicle. So we include a great set of instructions, and this system's pretty easy to install and also remove and put the stock system back on. There's no cutting, trimming, or wedging stuff out of the way. It really is an OEM plus finish product. So this, for example, we have two different sides. One, we have the open trimming style to show that off, and here we have the carbon one. So again, this being kind of the open air filter element side, which kind of gives you kind of more intake induction noises and maximum airflow. And here we have the nice carbon lid, and this is all easy removable magnetic snap lid, so you can take it off if that's your filter. You can swap between the two if you want, but it's a really polished finish. It looks awesome in the engine bay, matches the other carbon fiber in there, and looks like it belongs there. So these are on sale right now, and maybe you already bought the most expensive intake for your M3, but guess what? We already flow bench tested them all, and that one does not work very well. So the good news is you can sell it, probably buy our intake and our heat exchanger, and be happier and faster with your car. So click the link in the video, get more information, see the whole story, see dyno results, and buy yours today.